Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the accounts and tools you need. Sign into Google and enable two-step verification, because Google Voice often checks account security. This reduces phone prompts. Once done, open a desktop browser and either clear cookies or use an incognito window so prior numbers don't interfere. Make sure you have a secondary contact method, like a temporary email or VoIP account, to receive codes if prompted. This setup lets you proceed without a personal mobile number. Next, you use a VoIP number or a Google Workspace workaround to pass verification. Choose a reputable VoIP provider that accepts SMS or voice codes, because Google needs a number to confirm you. Then, in Google Voice settings, pick a new number and enter the VoIP number when prompted. Make sure to submit the verification code quickly, and if Google shows a CAPTCHA or location check, follow it. Slow responses trigger extra checks. This step creates the voice link without your personal mobile. Finally, you claim the Google Voice number and configure forwarding and voicemail so calls reach you. Test incoming calls and texts to confirm routing. Change settings if calls go to voicemail or forwarding isn't working. If Google blocks the process, try clearing cache, switching browsers, or using a different trusted VoIP provider. As one key troubleshooting tip, if verification fails repeatedly, use a Google Workspace account or ask an admin to provision the number. This often bypasses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.